Do you ever feel like the universe is subtly nudging you towards something extraordinary? Often we overlook the signs that our dreams are manifesting right before our eyes. These signs may seem coincidental or insignificant, but they carry profound meaning. In this video, we'll explore 7 surprising signs that you're on the path to manifesting your dreams. If you resonate with these, the life you've envisioned might be closer than you think. Manifesting dreams often starts with an inner shift. You might find yourself feeling unusually calm, even in situations that once caused stress. This calmness stems from alignment. That when your energy matches the frequency of your desires, you stop resisting life's flow. Instead of overthinking, you trust that everything is unfolding as it should. This sense of peace becomes your foundation. This comment isn't about ignoring challenges. You'll notice that you're able to face obstacles with a quiet confidence. Problems may still arise, but they don't feel overwhelming. You're focused, grounded, and able to see solutions. This calmness spreads to your interactions. You'll notice people reacting positively to your energy. Relationships feel smoother and conflicts resolve more easily, reinforcing the belief that you're on the right path. This tranquility allows you to listen to your intuition more clearly. Without the noise of doubt or fear, your inner guidance becomes sharper, leading you closer to your dreams. Seeing 1111, 272, or other repeating numbers might feel like a coincidence, but these synchronicities are signals from the universe. Repeating numbers are a form of guidance. For instance, 1111 often symbolizes alignment with your goals. These moments remind you to stay focused and maintain a positive mindset. It's not just numbers. You might hear the same phrase repeatedly, encounter symbols, or meet people who seem to connect you with your aspirations. These synchronicities are a way of showing you that everything is interconnected. These patterns encourage you to reflect. When you notice them, think about what you were doing or feeling at that moment. Often, they're a confirmation that you're making the right decisions. Over time, as you pay more attention to these signs, they'll guide you like a compass. Trust in these subtle messages and you'll feel more confident in your journey. A surge of creativity can be a clear indicator that your manifestations are unfolding. This inspiration might come in unexpected forms. You could have a sudden idea for a project, a solution to a lingering problem, or a vision of what your next step should be. These moments are the universe's way of showing you the path forward. Creativity often comes with a sense of urgency. You feel compelled to act, write, design, or create. This momentum aligns your actions with your desires, making them feel more achievable. This burst of creativity might attract opportunities. When you act on your ideas, you're more likely to connect with people or resources that help bring your vision to life. This creative energy reinforces your belief in your capabilities. Each inspired action builds your confidence and trust in the manifestation process. As your dreams begin to manifest, challenges that once felt insurmountable suddenly resolve. This doesn't mean life becomes perfect, but you'll notice that solutions appear more effortlessly. The right person might offer help, or a new opportunity might come your way. It's a sign that the universe is clearing your path. When you're in alignment with your dreams, the energy you've put out starts to return to you in the form of support and ease. You might find yourself more resilient. Even when obstacles arise, they feel like stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Your perspective shifts, allowing you to see challenges as part of the journey rather than a hindrance. Over time, these moments of ease will reinforce your trust in the process. They serve as reminders that you're not alone in your efforts. The universe is working with you. A deep sense of gratitude often precedes manifestations. Gratitude shifts your focus. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, you appreciate what you have, creating a positive energy that attracts more abundance. This gratitude might not even be tied to specific events. You'll wake up feeling thankful for life itself, for the opportunities ahead, or simply for the present moment. Gratitude helps you recognize how far you've come. By appreciating your journey, you're more attuned to the progress you've made, no matter how small it seems. Gratitude amplifies your manifestations. When you express thanks for what you have, the universe responds by giving you more to be thankful for. When you're manifesting, others will notice a shift in you, even if you're unaware of it yourself. You might receive comments like, "You look different," or "You seem so positive lately." These observations reflect the inner transformation you're undergoing. This shift isn't just physical, it's energetic. When you are aligned with your desires, your energy becomes magnetic. You'll attract people, opportunities, and experiences that resonate with your frequency. This magnetic energy boosts your confidence, knowing that others can sense your growth, reinforces your belief that you're on the right track. Over time, these interactions will serve as external confirmations of your progress. They remind you that your manifestations aren't just internal, they're beginning to take shape in the world around you. Perhaps the clearest sign of manifestation is the arrival of unexpected opportunities. These opportunities might seem small at first, a chance meeting, a surprising phone call, or an idea that leads to something bigger. Pay attention, as this moment often acts as the stepping stones to your dreams. When you align with your desires, you create an energy field that draws opportunities toward you. It's as though the universe is conspiring in your favor, presenting you with the perfect conditions to succeed. These opportunities often feel right. They come with a sense of ease and alignment, confirming that they're meant for you. By accepting these moments and taking action, you accelerate the manifestation process. Each opportunity you seize brings you closer to the life you've envisioned. An unexpected wave of emotion, whether it's joy, sadness, or relief, can be a clear sign of alignment with your desires. These emotional releases often occur because you're shedding the old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you, making space for new possibilities. For instance, you might find yourself tearing up during a seemingly ordinary moment, like listening to a song or watching a movie. This is your subconscious mind letting go of any resistance, helping you align more closely with your manifestations. These moments are not setbacks. They're signs of progress. These emotional releases often come with clarity. After the release, you may feel lighter, more focused, and ready to move forward. It's like clearing the fog that once obscured your vision. This newfound clarity helps you act decisively toward your goals. Your ability to process and let go of past emotions also strengthens your trust in the universe. You're no longer holding on to fears or doubts that hinder your progress, allowing your energy to flow freely. These releases remind you of your humanity and your connection to the universe. They signal that you're deeply engaged in the process of transformation, a necessary step for bringing your dreams into reality. Have you ever noticed time flying by when you're working on something you're passionate about, or dragging when you're waiting for something? When you're manifesting, your perception of time can shift dramatically. This phenomenon happens because you're in alignment with your purpose. Activities and experiences that align with your dreams feel effortless, making hours seem like minutes. You're so absorbed in the flow that you lose track of time. Conversely, time might feel slower during periods of reflection. This is not a bad thing. It gives you space to process your progress, reevaluate your goals, and fine-tune your actions. These moments of stillness are as valuable as the bursts of energy. This altered perception of time also highlights your growing awareness. You're more present, appreciating each moment rather than rushing toward the future. This presence helps you notice opportunities and connections you might have overlooked before. These shifts in time perception are signs of your alignment with the universe. They show that you're deeply engaged in the process of creation, letting go of rigid expectations and accepting the journey. The most powerful sign of manifestation is the growing sense that your dreams are no longer if, but when. This shift in mindset reflects a deep trust in yourself and the universe. You stop obsessing over outcomes or questioning whether you're capable. Instead, you feel a quiet confidence that what you want is already on its way. This belief creates a magnetic energy that speeds up the manifestation process. This inevitability often leads to inspired action. You might find yourself naturally drawn to opportunities, people, or ideas that align with your desires. Without overthinking, you take steps that bring you closer to your dreams. This mindset shifts how you interact with challenges. Setbacks no longer feel like barriers. They're merely temporary detours. You see them as opportunities to learn and grow, reinforcing your confidence in your ability to succeed. This sense of inevitability reflects your inner transformation. You've done the work, cleared old beliefs, aligned your energy, and taken inspired action. Now you can trust that the universe is working in your favor, bringing your dreams to life. Manifestation is not about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions with your deepest desires. The signs we've explored today are gentle reminders from the universe that you're on the right path. If you've noticed any of these in your life, take them as encouragement to keep moving forward. And if this resonated with you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights. Together, let's unlock the limitless potential that's already within you.